Hello, we are the directors of this new and innovative company. Our business is called Living Nature, and we started with the purpose that people appreciate nature. What we do is provide tourist guidance through natural paths throughout the country.
We think that our clients, in the majority, will be adventurous people who want to discover the most beautiful landscapes and appreciate the calm the natural offers.
I completely disagree with what you say, but I am sure that no matter the current situation, there are still people who want to learn and discover the wonders of our country.
The company name is Living Nature. The director of the museums are Darwin Sepúlveda and Juan Diego Herrera. The museum started on April 2, 2021, when we were looking at various museum ideas. We work strong nature and decide to invest. We want our company to be able to show people the natural wonders that their country has, and that at the same time they enjoy the reduced landscapes. The main objects is to publish the different natural groups that our country has, in addition to teaching the importance natural.
We want our business to be focused on all people from smallest to adults. We believe that everyone deserves an opportunity to appreciate the wonders of our country.
We think that our clients, in the majority, will be adventurous people who want to discover the most beautiful landscapes and appreciate the calm the natural offers.
Products will be present in brochure and monthly travel. Social network science is taking into account the country most people move through the social network will give us great advantage. We also consider offering discount coupons on flyers.
In the future, we will start to employ people who understand, kind, friendly, entrepreneurial attitudes, intelligence, competent, cooperative, trustworthy, and above and hardworking. And to finish, my partner, I want to tell of the people who want to know and observe the natural wonder more about their country. They can contact us on our official Facebook page, and there we will gladly attend to schedule our trip on I don't know. You will regret investing in our service.